fans. Hey, what up though? Hey man, what's up? Wagwan, my beautiful. What's poppin', man? What's good? Is that a new shirt? You looking fresh. Is that a new blouse, mommy? Yo, my dude, is that the new skinny jeans, man? Yo, you looking fresh, dog. You know what I'm saying? Hey, mommy, is that a new blouse, mommy? Is that the new Maybelline makeup set? Is that the new Bonnerman shirt? Or what that? The new Kill-Mated Dead Weave? Huh? Yo, my dude. Are those some new J's, boy? Is that them new J's, man? Is that them new J's, my nigga? Kevin, why I beg? Me not, why you don't feel something I beg something? Alright, I something I beg. So I told you guys that 2013 was gonna be like a great year for Kevin Too Crazy. So what I wanted to do for me right now is just go and vote. Vote where? I will put the link all over the screen. Go vote for Kevin Too Crazy. I'm in the category for Video Blogger of the Year, and the competition is for the Jamaica Blog Awards 2012-2013, thereabouts. So I'm gonna ask you guys, please just go over there and vote for Kevin Too Crazy. Vote for me, please. Please vote for me. Just go and vote. If you're a true Kevin Too Crazy fan, just go and vote for me. Go vote for me. You should go and vote for Kevin Too Crazy because in
Sir, let me tell you, sir. Vote for Kevin Too Crazy. You see, boom, bang, bang. Sir, go vote for the boss.
I want it in a youth. Yo, man, tell us about Kevin Too Crazy. Yo, him not easy, not him not for vote for, you know. After my arm no smell.
Hey man, let me tell you something, okay? I'm not gonna shoot you. Should I go vote for Kevin Too Crazy? Say hello to my little friend.
Vote Kevin Too Crazy. Wrong time he run competition. Wrong time. Vote for him. Wrong time.
Why you right or wrong time?
Vote for him. Wrong time. Wrong time. Real talk though, son. I ain't gonna vote for Obama or Romney. I'm voting for Kevin Too Crazy. Real talk, man. That's my dude right there. Y'all ain't see the link though? Come on, man. You gonna sit there and not vote for Kevin Too Crazy? That's stupid, man. I'm gonna ask you guys once more again, please just go ahead and vote for Kevin Too Crazy. You have until next week, Tuesday, which is the 15th or 14th, I think. I'm in the bush, so I don't really have a calendar with me right now. Anyways, just go ahead and vote for Kevin Too Crazy. I would really like to win. And I would appreciate it like to the max. So just vote for Kevin Too Crazy.
Kevin Too Crazy, I want to buy this video blogger comedian them for boss out of Jamaica. I him love Jamaica, he most.
I him love Jamaica, he most. I him love Jamaica, he most.
Whatever details I have missed, I will put it in the description below. So just please go ahead and click. Quick.
What Kevin Too Crazy? 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 What Kevin Too Crazy?
Papa Marley, I'm sweating.